Else if is the extensions to the previous if statement. Whenever if coming, we understood that there is a condition being tested. Like that, if another condition also if you want to test, only in this loop, like in this block of control statements, we can go to the if this fails, only can go to this part. If this doesn't fail, we can't go to here. So that is how it is. That is how it is this else if used. And another statement else, right? Else also can be used if nothing is happening. There is no condition. Whatever the previously mentioned conditions are failing, in that case it will go to the else statement. So we can see here, we if cars greater than people, cars number is greater than the people, 40 is greater than 30, so it is entering into the here. If trucks is greater than cars, then it is going to the, it is wrong, so then it is going to the else if statement. Okay, so here people is greater than trucks, then it is going to let's just take the trucks. Okay,